Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the huge recruitment from one of the central government university guys. So here the total 11 government colleges, or else under this college total 11 campuses are there. So from all the 11 campuses, we have the vacancies, and here the eligibility PG with or without UG Senate. Okay, so here the lecturer as well as the guest faculty vacancies are there. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is University of Jammu guys. Okay, so under this university, total from 11 campuses, the recruitment was announced, and here the huge number of subjects are there. I think you will be connected with any one of the subject here guys. Okay, so let us see the details regarding this one completely. And after entering into the official website, here the jobs at the JU is there. So go to the teaching staff. Okay, so click on that one. Then you will be directed to this web page. Here you may check down the applications are invited for temporary post of lecturer, teaching assistants for the academic session 2021 to 22. So click on this one. Then you will be directed to the this web page guys. So here actually this notification came on the 31st March 2021. So applications are invited on the prescribed form from the eligible candidates for the temporary post of lecturer as well as the teaching assistant for the academic session 2021 to 22 to be engaged on contract basis as an academic temporary arrangement on a consolidated salary as per the university norms. Okay, and click on this advertisement, then one PDF you will get guys. Okay, so it is the PDF. So we will see all the details very clearly because most of the subjects are covered here guys. So definitely you might be covered with any one of the subject here. So coming to the main campuses, just check down the subjects guys, or else departments: biotechnology, biochemistry, botany, Buddhist studies, business school, commerce, center for women studies, chemistry, organic, inorganic and physical, computer science and IT, Dogri, education, English, environmental science, electronics, economics, geology, geography, Hindi, history, modern and medieval Indian history, human genetics, CCR and HRM, IMFA. In this one, the applied arts, dance, classical, sculpture, painting and tabla. Okay, library and information science, law, guest faculty advocate in the department of law, and mathematics, microbiology, physics, physical education, psychology, Punjabi, remote sensing and GIS, sociology, statistics, Sanskrit, SHTM, Urdu, yoga and zoology. So from all these departments from the main campus, the vacancies are there. And while coming to the Directorate of Distance Education, Sociology, Hindi, Dogri, MCOM, Urdu, Political Science, and from the Law School, Sociology, History, Economics, Law, Guest Faculty, Advocate, and few offsite campuses are there. You may check down. From Badewar campus, BBA, BCom, MBA, MCA, English, B.Ed, IME, and Geography. From Katau campus, Management Studies and Computer Science. From Kishtwar campus, computer science and IT and Kashmiri, and from Ramnagar campus, computer science and sociology, and from Raisi campus, sociology, and from Poonch campus, sericulture, and from Udhampur campus, commerce and economics, and from UIET, that is engineering and technology. Here lecturer or teaching assistant in computer engineering, civil engineering, electronics engineering, electrical and engineering mechanics, graphics, machine drawing, engineering math, engineering physics, engineering chemistry, communication skills, humanities, social science and management. Okay, so these are the subjects. Huge recruitment guys it is, so please utilize this opportunity. So coming to the lecturer, so good academic record as defined by the concerned university with at least 55% of marks at the master's degree level in the concerned or relevant or allied subject from an Indian university, and a relaxation of 5% is there at the graduate as well as the master's degree for the SC, ST and differently abled categories. Okay, and the eligibility of 55% equivalent grade in point scale, and so 5% may be provided for the relaxation for the PhD degree holders, okay, who have obtained their master's degree prior to 19 September to 1991, guys. And the national eligibility test qualification must be there. So, okay, it shall be remain the minimum eligibility for the appointment of assistant professor. So SLET or SET shall be the valid one also for the direct recruitment. So these are the things, right? That means just simply we can tell that PG in the concerned discipline with NET, SLET or SET qualification. Okay, so that is the thing. And coming to the guest faculty in the advocate department, so advocates of 10 years standing at the bar, and for remote sensing and GIS, master's degree with the NET or SLET qualification. Okay, and coming to the B.Ed, so postgraduate degree in social sciences and M.Ed degree from a recognized university, or else this one. Okay, so these are all the different qualifications, guys. And for lecturer or teaching assistant in life science, okay, so good academic record, that means 55% in master's degree, NET or SLET qualification. Okay, and for yoga, same thing. And while coming to the University Institute of Engineering and Technology, so for this one, so while coming to the serial number 1 to 5 or 6, I think that you may check down, yeah, 1 to 5, only MTech is enough. Okay, BTech as well as the MTech, no need of UGC NET for the electronics guys, for the electrical guys. Okay, only BTech and MTech. Okay, so this qualification is enough. So if you are not having the UGC NET also, it's not a problem. If you are not having the PhD also, not a problem, you may apply this. And coming to the 6 to 10, the candidate must have the PG plus UGC NET or SLET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the complete details, guys. Okay, and besides the prescribed qualification mentioned above, the criteria for selection of candidates for the post of lecturer is academic record and research performance, and assessment of domain knowledge and teaching skills, total 30 marks. That is 10 marks for the teaching experience on pro rata basis. Okay, and 20 marks for teaching skills based upon the lecture on a topic in the subject. Remaining 20 marks is the interview performance, guys. Next, a candidate will be selected only if the candidate scored at least 50% in the category B and C. That is, it's one kind of a demo lecture and the interview performance separately. And for interview of the above post, applicants are advised to contact the Dean Academic Affairs, okay, concerned head or rector or director or coordinator or principal of the teaching department, and the prescribed application form, qualification and other details you will get in the university website itself with effect from 31st March 2021. Okay, so these are the details, and here it is application form base. So you have to fill up this application form. Okay, so these are the complete details regarding the temporary post of lecturer or teaching assistant for academic session 2021 to 22. And in the official website, here the contact numbers are given here. So 0191 is the code and remaining are the numbers. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact these numbers, guys. Okay, so for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. Listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide